Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Country Star. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Country Star application for your mobile device, and once you have, launch it open. Let the game load and then you will be presented with this kind of an interface. Tap on the Let's Go button and go ahead and answer some of the questions. Select one of the games that you've already played and tap continue. Now, let the Country Star game download its data and select one of your tutorial songs from the list. After you do that, tap on play. And now, you can start playing the game as shown in the tutorial. After completing all of the tutorials, you'll get to choose the next song. You now need to complete all of the stays on this song. You will now be able to see this kind of an interface, and you will be able to see that you are currently playing as a guest. Now, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right and tap on the Supercell ID option. In order to get started with the game and save your progress throughout the game, you'll need to first sign in with your Supercell ID. If you already have an account, you can tap on Log In. If you don't have a Supercell ID, you will need to tap on Register Now and create a new account. Enter your email address, re-enter it one more time and tap on register and follow the prompts to verify your account, and you will be able to create a Supercell ID. If you already have a Supercell ID, tap on log in and enter your email address associated with it. Now tap on log in and on the next page, enter the verification code sent to your email address. Once you receive your code, type it in and tap on submit. Tap on OK, and then on the next page, if you are trying to sign up for the account, you'll need to type in your Supercell ID name that you'd like to use for the account and tap continue. Select an avatar for yourself and tap continue as well. And once you are signed in with your Supercell ID, you can now close it off and you have successfully connected with your Supercell ID. You can now start playing the game, and after you are logged into the ID, you will be able to save your progress throughout the game. So that's how you can easily sign up for Country Star within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.